Hey guys, my name is Judith and you're watching my video again. So today we're dyeing my hair again, and yeah, this will be only voiceover because I kind of didn't feel like talking in this video. But yeah, we're dyeing my hair blue. We're using aquamarine with diluter and conditioner to make it like more pastel. And yeah, we just added aquamarine until it was like dark enough, but we're gonna add more later anyway. Then for the darker color, we used Blue Jean Baby. We used it straight from the bottle, and yeah, so nothing added to it or anything. Just straight out of the bottle, Blue Jean Baby. Then we swatched them on a piece of toilet paper, and we saw that like the aquamarine shade was way too light still, so we added way more aquamarine to it. And yeah. Then we started off by putting in the lighter shade in the ends, all the way through the whole section, and then later on, once we were done with the lighter shade throughout the whole like bottom section, we then put in the top color, and then we just made sure to blend it all in the middle, and yeah, that's it. Make sure you saturate all the pieces of your hair. Yeah. Like I got somewhere to go. Sometimes I'm feeling scared, but I don't wanna walk alone. You're the hand I wanna hold, 'cause you are everything to me, babe. I wanna see you hurt. You should know your worth. You are everything I need, babe. I wanna see you frown. I wanna let you down, 'cause it's only you. No one compares to you, no. I'll keep fighting and I'll never let you go. Whoa. It's only you. No one compares to you, no. Let me love you and I'll never let you go. Whoa. Yeah, it's only you. Yeah, it's only you. No one compares to you, no. Let me love you and I'll never let you go.
No, I've never known the difference between right and wrong. But I just keep singing along. You can tell me you don't love me if you're holding on my hand. 'Cause you got my heart, yeah, you got my heart in your hand.
And yeah, then for the last top section, we decided that the two strands that were framing my face would like put more aquamarine on the strand, like make the lighter color go up way more than on the other strands. So we get like a money piece highlighting face framing thing going on around my face, and yeah, that's it. Then we just continued like we did with the rest.
And I can only say what is true for me.
yeah, once we're done applying all the color, we let it sit on my head for like 1 or 2 hours, I think. You can leave it on as long as you like with AquaMarine, as it is a very conditioning based dye, so you can leave it on as long as you want. It makes your hair feel so good if you leave it on. Like sometimes I leave it on overnight, but yeah, and then we washed it out with cold water. And these are the results. I sadly did not film any results, I only took pictures. I don't know, I kind of never had the time to film it, but yeah, this is what my hair turned out like. You can definitely see the money pieces and then the rest, and yeah, I love it so much, and I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what my next hair color should be.